Hello bro, wait, look at me. I'm just on your back. Let's go ahead to kill everyone.
Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Takeover. Today in this video I'm just going to be showing how we can change your voice on Call of Duty Mobile. So if you just want to change your voice now, you have to go on my video description, then find out a link, just click on it and you will be here on this website. Try it for free, or if you are an Android user, you can use this option to go download the Android version of the application, or you can go download the iOS version by click on here on the small iOS option. I'm using Game Loop emulator to play the Call of Duty Mobile just here on my PC, so I downloaded the Windows version of the software and I'm going to open Magic Mic in my PC. So once I just open it, you will see what we have here. You can see we have more than 100 sounds that we can use that to change our voice on gaming, streaming, or calling to someone. On the first step, you have to go on the setting to define the microphone you are using now here on your PC. So I'm going to use my microphone, which is USB microphone here on my PC, and I'm going to choose the speaker to test my voice here on this video. Once I define it, both of them just here on this software, I will get back here on voice box to show you all the voices I have. So let's get started.
Test 1. Hello, how are you my friends? Test 2. Hello, how are you my friends?
Test 3. Hello, how are you my friends? Now it's time to open the Call of Duty in my PC. Just minimize that software in your PC and open the game lab, which is the emulator.
As I told you, I'm using Game Loop emulator to play my Call of Duty Mobile, and even you can play your PUBG or Free Fire Arena, and you can use the Windows version of the software to change your voice on your PC, and it will be very cool for you. So don't waste your time, try it. Once I just opened the game, I'm going to click to start, and it's time to match up and kill some enemies. On the first step, when just game starts, you have to go turn on the microphone for your team, and it's time to talk.
Hello my friends, this is me. Just want to kill all of my enemies now here on this game. Hello bro, wait, look at me. I'm just on your back. Let's go ahead to kill everyone. Okay my friends, it's all about how you can change your voice on Call of Duty Mobile. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.